It's difficult to measure this alone, so what I do is I've got my little block of wood here with a screw in it, and I just attach that to the timber on the inside obviously, and then I can connect the tape measure to here and measure with without anybody having to hold it for me. So that goes on the inside like that. Right. This goes to here. I then have to go over there, cut the timber and bring it into it. Before I cut the timber and put it in, I need to spray the inside of this with antiseptic. This has already been pre-treated already. We did it when we stacked it, but when we did it, it was kind of wet weather and it's been sat outside, so because it's under the house, we want to make sure that it's never going to rot, so we give it another coat. Next, cut the timber, bring it into position.